Hello guys, welcome back to this new reading. Today we are going to read Pranzo con gli Scorpioni. Let's start. Lo scrittore di questa storia si chiama Gerald Durrell. Lui è uno zoologo, cioè uno studioso degli animali. Gerald amava tutti gli animali già da bambino. Now, this amava right here, we haven't encountered this one yet, but we will. It's a form of past. He used to love all the animals since he was a kid. Un giorno il bambino Gerald trova nel giardino uno scorpione femmina. Finds nel giardino in the garden a female scorpion. Lo scorpione carries, sulla schiena, back, tanti piccoli, little scorpions. Gerald vuole osservare i piccoli scorpioni mentre crescono. He wants to observe the little ones while they grow up. Così lui mette lo scorpione e i suoi piccoli in una scatola di fiammiferi, a matchbox, because fiammiferi is matches. Gerald mette la scatola sopra il camino in salotto, sopra il camino above the fireplace, in salotto in the living room. Lui poi va a mangiare in sala da pranzo. Intorno alla tavola c'è tutta la famiglia. La mamma, Gerald, i suoi 3 fratelli. Poi Larry, il fratello più grande di Gerald, si alza da tavola e va in salotto. Larry vuole fumare una sigaretta e così prende la scatola di fiammiferi. Larry apre la scatola e lo scorpione con i piccoli finisce sulla mano di Larry. Allora succede un disastro. Then a disaster occurs. Larry urla per lo spavento, shouts because he's frightened. La cameriera lascia cadere un piatto. Lasciar cadere is basically drop, to drop. So we'll have, she drops the plate. Il cane Roger abbaia, abbaiare is to bark. Abbaia come un matto, in an insane way, e morde la cameriera, bites the maid, the waitress. Lo scorpione cade sul tavolo e i piccoli dello scorpione finiscono da tutte le parti. They end up everywhere. Lo scorpione spaventa i fratellini di Gerald. Margot, la sorellina, butta acqua sullo scorpione. So she throws water on the scorpion. Ma lei sbaglia il tiro. So misses the target e innaffia Waters, la mamma. La mamma sente l'acqua gelida, freezing cold water, e rimane senza respiro. And she's left with no breath. I mean, she doesn't die, but rimane senza respiro is like when somebody's so shocked that they stop breathing, right? Or they stop breathing for a moment, regularly. Tutti corrono intorno alla tavola, urlano e cercare di colpire is they try to hit lo scorpione e i piccoli. Alla fine Gerald manda via dalla stanza tutta la famiglia. Mandare via, to send away, tutta la famiglia. Gerald riesce a prendere tutti gli animali. Gerald manages to pick all the animals. Poi lui porta gli scorpioni in giardino. Adesso gli scorpioni sono liberi. Invece Gerald, per punizione, as a form of punishment, which is because he's being grounded, sta chiuso in casa e deve studiare tanto. stays close in the house, so stays at the house, e deve studiare tanto. It must study a lot. Alright, guys, I think we learned here in this reading some interesting vocab, right? So as usual, please record this, read it several times, listen to it several times. All of this is pretty good. Fiammiferi and a bunch of other verbs like mordere, abbaiare, buttare acqua, sbagliare il tiro, innaffiare, which we saw for Lisabetta da Messina, and when she was watering la pianta di basilico, l'acqua gelida, rimanere senza respiro, cercare di colpire, mandare via, and then per punizione. So all of that was quite interesting. Now here, guys, I think that I would want you to talk about punizione, right? So for certain we could do two things, right? The first one is for sure we could talk about punizione. So la punizione è una cosa buona? Se sì, perché? Se no, perché? Also, we could talk about the kind of punishment, the kind of grounding, right? And so we could have, for instance, le punizioni corporali, right? Le punizioni corporali sono buone, meaning can you actually hit physically your kid, right? And why would you do that? So perché, right? And sorry guys, I'm missing the H, okay, perché. And why also you would be against that, right? So let's talk about le punizioni corporali. And then, guys, one more thing that we could do is una volta che i miei genitori mi hanno punito. One time my parents punished me, right? And what kind of punishment that was. So guys, I think that's it for now. So write down your answers, record, listen, and repeat several times. You could also post, and I would seriously appreciate that. You could also post your answers in the comments below, and I'm going to check all of that and reply back. And guys, also keep me updated on your progress. And I hope, as usual, that this is helpful. And don't forget to then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you're not going to miss out on any of the videos that I will be uploading. Guys, I hope again that this is good and that you're progressing, and I will be talking to you some more next time.